You probably clicked this video wondering, what's the best spark plug in the world? Here's what you're going to learn today. Why copper plugs die fast, how platinum improved life, and why iridium has become the ultimate choice for durability. But more importantly, I'll show you how a simple $7 part could prevent thousands in repair costs, and the exact mistakes to avoid when buying replacement plugs. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Imagine saving a few bucks at the parts store. You grab a pack of bargain spark plugs, toss them in the engine, and think you've outsmarted the system. Then, a few thousand miles later, your engine begins to knock, stumble, and run rough. That little shortcut you took is now threatening to turn into a massive repair bill that could easily reach into the thousands. What looked like a small win at the cash register often becomes a very expensive mistake under the hood. The reason it happens is simple. Cheap spark plugs are usually made of copper, and even though they're marketed as the same size and fitment, they're on a completely different level when it comes to durability. Drivers see that $2 price tag and think they've dodged the crazy markup of name brand plugs. After all, a plug is a plug, right? Unfortunately, not even close. That short-term saving only buys you a part that wears down far faster than you'd ever expect. Here's the hidden danger. Copper electrodes are soft. The sharp edge at the tip is what ensures the spark jumps cleanly and lights the fuel mixture efficiently. With use, that edge erodes and rounds off. The spark has to fight harder to jump across, and because of that, combustion becomes irregular. Missed sparks pile up, your car loses power, fuel economy nosedives, and over time, the unburned fuel stresses your catalytic converter. It's like a chain reaction of issues caused by chasing a bargain. Think of it like a cheap razor blade. The very first shave feels fine, but after just a few uses, the blade is dull, dragging across your skin and giving you a worse result every time. Copper spark plugs behave the same way. They wear down quickly, and instead of lasting tens of thousands of miles reliably, they can begin creating problems well under 30,000. Compare that to an iridium plug, which can easily go beyond 100,000 miles without losing its sharp edge, and the savings on copper looks pretty ridiculous. And the nightmare doesn't stop at early wear. Sometimes the problem is the wrong plug completely. One striking case involved a Nissan 300Z, where the owner installed a set of plugs that were slightly too long. At first, nothing seemed unusual, but when the engine fired up, it made terrifying mechanical noises. The reason was simple but destructive. The longer plugs were actually protruding far enough to interfere with moving engine parts. When a spark plug extends too far into the combustion chamber, it can touch the piston crown as it rises, or worse, get into the path of a valve. That's not just a misfire, it's direct metal-to-metal contact at thousands of revolutions per minute. Every smack risks bending a valve, punching a hole in a piston, or destroying threads in your cylinder head. Fixing that damage requires engine teardown work that costs more than many older cars are worth, all because the wrong $2 plug went into the cylinder. The truth is, you don't have to risk these disasters. There are spark plugs designed specifically to fit your car with exact heat ranges and lengths, while using materials that resist erosion for far longer. The companies that supply the original equipment know these details better than anyone, which is why their plugs shield you from both premature wear and catastrophic fitment mistakes. So, the idea that cheap spark plugs equal money saved is really an illusion. They're a trap disguised as a discount, one that can empty your wallet faster than almost any other small part in your engine. But if that's what not to buy, then what exactly goes into making a spark plug the best in the world? If spark plugs all look the same, how can one type keep firing cleanly for 200,000 miles while another starts failing before it even makes it to 20,000? At first glance, they're just small metal parts with a ceramic insulator, but the reality is that the material used at the electrode tip changes everything. Copper, platinum, and iridium may sound like fancy options on a menu, but in practice, they each bring very different lifespans and performance characteristics to the table. And once you understand why they behave so differently inside an engine, the best choice becomes very clear. Copper plugs have been around the longest, and while they can provide a strong spark when brand new, they're also the softest material of the group. That softness means the sharp edges of the electrode wear down quickly. The result is constant widening of the spark gap, reduced firing consistency, and replacement intervals that feel uncomfortably short compared to what modern engines are capable of. For drivers who only plan to keep their car for a handful of miles or are swapping out plugs frequently on performance builds, copper might serve a role. But for everyday needs, it falls short. Then you have platinum plugs. These were developed as a step forward because platinum is harder than copper and can endure much higher heat without losing shape. That quality translates into spark plugs with lifespans often pushing past 100,000 miles. Many cars from the late 1990s and 2000s were factory equipped with platinum plugs because manufacturers wanted to lengthen maintenance schedules and reduce costs for owners. For most drivers, swapping every 100,000 miles instead of every 30,000 feels like a win, and platinum plugs prove to be a great middle ground for both performance and value. But even platinum has its limits, and that's where iridium enters the picture. Iridium is extremely strong and has a much higher melting point, allowing the electrodes to be made thinner while still holding up against combustion's harsh environment. That tiny but precise firing tip stays sharp for far longer than copper or platinum. Scotty Kilmer often points out that while platinum can deliver long service life, iridium stretches that advantage even further, holding its edge and keeping engines running cleanly for as long as 150,000 to 200,000 miles in some cases. That level of longevity is not marketing, it's engineering. You can see it proven in real-world stories. Chevy V8 engines have been documented running perfectly after more than 200,000 miles on their original set of iridium plugs. These weren't babied weekend cruisers either. They were daily drivers, and yet the plugs were still holding their gap properly. Instead of becoming a maintenance headache, iridium allowed the engine to stay reliable for nearly the entire life of the vehicle without being touched. That is the type of real payoff that cheap alternatives can never deliver. And it's not just about miles, it's about what it saves you in labor. Take a Lexus V6 engine as an example. To replace the rear bank of spark plugs, the intake plenum has to come off, which means hours of labor or a high bill if you're paying a shop. If you install short-lived plugs, you'll face that job more often. But if you pick iridium, you may only need to do it once in the entire time you own the car. Suddenly, that expensive plug looks like one of the cheapest investments you can make. So now that we know what actually makes a spark plug the best, let's lock down the one principle guaranteed to keep you from ever making a costly mistake again. The best spark plug in the world isn't the one with flashy packaging or bold claims. It's the one built to your car's exact specifications, in the correct size, with the precise heat range your engine needs. Iridium stands out here because its durability means far fewer replacements and far less risk. So don't gamble on cheap plugs or wild marketing. Check your manual, choose OEM spec, and buy the right part once. That small decision saves money, time, and major headaches down the road. Next time you shop, ask yourself, are you saving money or gambling with your engine?